Samidoh na Karen Nyamu ni maronekana ta marari kundu hamwe na ti kungi ni Oljororok gwa Samidoh, and they each shared photos and videos. Karen Nyamu shared a photo na Samidoh share video having the same background and scenery as that of Karen Nyamu. Karen Nyamu was the first one to share this photo here, and as you can see in the background there's vegetation and there's also the lake, and also Samidoh later on shared this video on his TikTok, and as you can see the background and scenery is the same as that of Karen Nyamu, and their fans were quick to notice this, and sampling some of the comments, Mama Sarik wrote, "Nasi nimeona Karen akiwa huku bado," and another one replied saying, waliwa pamoja, mwenye macho haambiwi tazama, the view ni same. Karen Nyamu alipiga picha akiwa hapa jana, aki mapenzi wewe, lakini wacha ni mind my own business, and another one wrote, "Yeah, wako pamoja." Karen alipost IG, "Ni the same place hapo penye Sami ako. Let us mind our own business." And another one wrote, "Hii location ni ile Karen alipost." Na ũngĩarauga Karen ameweka Facebook 1 hour ago, ako huku pia. Sami leta rũracio sasa, Karen nĩ gaitũ ga kerĩ, okay? Na ũngĩarauga atĩ Samidoh ahota gũthiĩ out atĩa na side hen, ũcoke wĩre Edith ti kwenda gwaku, kaĩ ũrĩaga mĩrĩyo we. Well, that was on Samidoh's end. Those were some of the comments on Samidoh's video on TikTok. And on Karen Nyamu's post on Instagram, the comments were similar. Someone wrote, "Likol Bolosat Oljororok kwa in-laws." Na ũngĩarauga lovely, sweet girl, niliona pia baba Nimo ako same location, makofi kwa wana FBI. Na ũngĩaroria camera person ni who? Na Muthoni Kibunga ararĩkĩrĩria na kuga umepelekwa kwa in-laws. Well, there's no way this was a coincidence atĩ me handũ hamwe, same location, same lake, kwa Samidoh Oljororok. It is no coincidence, na mwenye macho haambiwi tazama. Ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the best and latest Kikuyu celebrity news.